everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can successfully order your product on Pinduoduo. Now if you are used to ordering your product from 1688, you will find out that it is much easier to order product of different sizes and different variation on 1688 than on Pinduoduo. Now sometimes it can be so confusing if you are not used to the app. Now one of the things I find difficult about Pinduoduo is not the fact that you can order from there, but is the fact that when you want to order goods of different color, let's say for instance you have the black, the blue, the green, and you want to order it at once, you will find it frustrating if you are not used to Pinduoduo. But I'm going to show you from this video how you can easily do that. And not just that, I am going to compare both the 1688 app and the Pinduoduo, and you are going to see a honest review about these two apps. So if you are new to my channel, I am Gaza Elisha. On this channel I discuss mini importation tips on how you can import from China on Pinduoduo, and I also talk about WordPress design, designing your website or your blog using WordPress or Wix. It is a drag and drop website platform where you can easily build your website. So if you are someone who loves all these things, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment. So let's go first and see how you can easily import your product from 1688, and then let's see how you can easily do that using Pinduoduo. So what I'm going to do here is this. I'm going to hover down here and click on 1688, and do make sure that if you do not have the 1688 app and you do not know how to download it, do not go to Play Store because you are not going to see it. Or if you are using iPhone, do not go to App Store and so forth. You just go to their website using Chrome, and then you will be able to download it. Now let's say this is 1688. So what we are going to be doing is to look for a product that have various colors. So for instance, like this product here, you can easily see that they have different variation, that is different colors. So what we are going to do is let's click on either one of them. Let's see, I want to go for this shot here, so this one here. So I'll click on it and let's wait for it to finish loading. So these are shorts, and if I want peradventure I want to buy this short, there are certain things I'm going to be considering, although that is not part of this video, but just want to show you some of those things you need to consider. Number one is to check for the review. So you can actually see the review here. 10 people left a review. So review are very important in mini importation because it shows you or tells you the number of people who have bought and how many people left a review. And sometimes when you bought a product and it is not good or it doesn't meet your standard, you write a bad negative review about it. There are times I want to buy a product from this store, from this app, but when I see a review I simply run away from that supplier. Why? Because reviews are very important. It tells you how the person who bought that product feels. Now I will show you the difference between this 1688 and Pinduoduo, so you could see review of what the person is saying. So what you need to do is to translate it. She said the user thought the product was excellent. I gave it a 5-star. So you could see this is the review. So let's say I want to order this shot. All I need to do is to click on this icon here. This downside here, to click on it, and after I have clicked on it, so I'm going to just click on it, and then it's going to take you to this place. So this place is not actually showing you where you can, it seems it's a random pick. So when you add up to 10, they are going to randomly pick the shirt for you, but this is not what I want. So let's move back to the shirt. So let's click on this shirt here. So now you can see that 20 plus people have left a review here. And so let's click on it and let's see if, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So you can see that this is white, this is pink, and you can see other colors here. Let's say I want to buy different colors from this supplier. So let's say I'm going with this. I want to add this to cart. Let's say I want to add this, and this, and also this, and this, and this. That this item here has been clicked. So all you need to do is to be able to what? To just come to this downside. You can see the sizes here. Here indicates the size of the item, while this, so you can add by using this plus sign by this left and right hand side. And let's say for instance that you want to buy this item, this pink here, and then you want to buy one of size 73 cm. So all you need to do is just go to ChatGPT, or you go online and ask that size 73 cm. What kind of baby can wear those clothes? So maybe it could be from 0 to 6 months or 0 to 12 months, depending. And so you can see from 130 cm, maybe it could be from 2 to 6 years or so forth. So peradventure, let's say you want to buy one of 73 cm. So you click on this plus button here, this plus button to add. So I'm going to click on it. So you see that one item has been added, and then from the downside here, you can see that from this downside you can see the price here. And then if I add another one, you could see that the price range here are not even the same. You could see here that the prices are not the same. This one is 5.30 yuan, and then when it is 130 cm, you could see that it's 8 point something yuan. So let's say I want to add one of this, then you can easily see that here I'm able to add. Now I've added how many? I've added two of this product. So if I want to add another one, all I need to do is click on this, and then I can easily add it. So if I click on it, then you can see that I can add how many I wanted, and then you could see the number here telling me that I have added 4 items here. So I can easily buy any one here and decide that's just how I'll add it. But let's go to Pinduoduo and see how you can add this product, various variation and so forth. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment below if there's any challenges you find about using any of those apps. Please do make sure you comment below, and you can easily join our pre-order group where we try to meet the minimum order quantity and buy. So now let's click on this trophy here, and you can see one of the difference between the Pinduoduo and 1688. Now you look at here, you can see 47,070 people left a review. That means thousands of people have bought this product. So one of the things I normally love about Pinduoduo is that, and sometimes you can see this video, you can see the trophy here, so you can see the video, you can play it and get to see what the product is like. So let's click on the video so you see. So that is one of the things about Pinduoduo. Now let's say I want to buy it. I click on this red button here. Then you can see that from here, when I click on it and I add this, if I come here to add, it's going to continue from this product I have chosen. I cannot add more than one product from this place. So all you need to do is come over to this place and click on this favorite. These are place that looks like heart. This one here that looks like heart. So you click on it. After you've clicked on it, then you go back and then come to this place here. and then click on it, and then you come to this place here where you are going to see all the items you have added to your favorite. So you can see that all these items I have added them to my favorite. So all I need to do is to click on this place here. You can see. So let's go back to the trophy. So we click on this place here. Now I have added this item. You can see that this item have been added. So all I need to do, if I want to add another item again, I need to click on this place. So I've clicked on it, and then you can see, let me add this 1 2 3, and then I press on the red button. You can see that now I have how many items. You can see that this is 3 items and this is 2 items. In total I have 5 items. If I want to add another one, I still click on the plus button and then choose another type of trophy, and then let's say I want to add 4 or 5, and then I click on the red button. You can see that it is calculating. Now I have 12 trophies that I've added, 2 the first, 3 the second, and then 5 the next one. If eventually you want to cancel anyone, you can just come to this place here and cancel anyone. So you can see, let me say I'm canceling this. You can see that it has canceled, and the price here is telling you the price you are going to pay for all the items. So this is just how you can easily add many item, various products and sizes. It's not like 1688 that you can easily add it at once. On Pinduoduo, you need to add it to your favorite before you can add other various sizes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and God bless you.